So have you opened one of these recently and then realised you've got food dye all over your hands? Let's put a stop to that. I'm Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I've been making high-end wedding cakes, birthday cakes in my cake business for over 8 years now, and I've been through a lot of bottles of colour. Now, some brands are thicker than others, some can be quite liquidy, and some can make a huge mess and some may not. But there is one way I know how to open one of these to minimize the mess all over your fingers. Now, previously I would have, if there's no little pull tab here, I would have pretty much stuck a knife in the end there to open it and then had to peel off this top here. Color everywhere. Now what I do, take off the lid, open the lid up, press it into the bottle, hear the pop it out. So now you have an opening in there. You don't need the whole thing opened, especially with this brand, the Colour Mill. They're nice and thin with the liquid inside. Pop the lid back on, close it off. No colour anywhere. I hope this has helped. Make sure you subscribe below and we'll see you next time.